Hello coders and welcome back to Code Mode. Today I'll show you how to make a dice rolling simulator in Python. So first you have to import the random library. If it shows an error and says that you don't have it, then you might have to go and install it. So basically what this library will do is it'll help the roll dice function right here roll the dice so it can roll the dice. So after we import the random library, next we have this function called roll dice. This is the most important function in the program. This is the most important as it actually rolls the dice. So next we have our def main function. So our main function, what it does is when the person enters a program, it's gonna welcome them. It's gonna say welcome to the dice rolling simulator. So this is, you don't need this, but this is pretty much to welcome the person. So as you see when I run it, it says welcome to the dice rolling simulator. Then while true, so true, it'll go on forever until it's breaked here. So while true, it'll go on forever. So input, press enter to roll the dice. So it's gonna wait for the user to press enter. Then our result is equal to roll dice. Roll dice is again our function up here. And so we're using the function up here, so it's gonna call the function up here, get the number, and come back right here. So next it's gonna print you rolled a result. Again, result is the variable which is gonna store the number we got from here. So and we're using the f because we're including the variable's name in curly brackets in the print. Then we have our play again. So play again, it's gonna ask the user if they want to play again. We're gonna have a Y answer or an answer. And just in case they capitalize their answer, we're gonna use a dot lower to lowercase the answer. Then if they say Y, then it's gonna restart them to the top. And if they say and then it's gonna say thanks for rolling goodbye, and it's gonna break the forever loop we started right here, and then it's gonna say if name is equal to main, then main, and yeah, it's gonna start all over again. So now again I started it. Welcome to the dice rolling simulator. Press enter to roll the dice. I'm gonna press my enter. Now I roll a 2. If I say Y, then it asks me again to press enter. And if I say N, then it's gonna say thank you for rolling goodbye. So this is the code to make a dice rolling simulator, and go try it on your own. So subscribe to my channel and I'll see you later.